Hi everyone, hi NTHP IBA-Karachi aspirants. Let us start preparation for NTHP upcoming in December. Without wasting time, let's jot down to our work. Question number 1 reads as the volume of a balloon is given by the equation V is equal to T square minus 3 times T plus 3. What is the volume of the balloon after 3 seconds? Here, volume of the balloon is given by some equation V is equal to T square minus 3T plus 3. That is the equation of the volume of the balloon given by at any instance, and at any instance just plug in the value of, in that case, T is equal to 3. T is equal to 3. Now we have to see how much, at what rate it is inflating or deflating. It is not mentioned here it is increasing or decreasing. If it is increasing, that it is a balloon is inflating. If it is decreasing, then it is deflating. In that case, we are on safe side. Just put T is equal to 3 to get to the answer. The volume of the balloon is given by this equation. We are asked to find its volume when T is equal to 3 seconds or after 3 seconds. Just plug in T is equal to 3. We have V instead of T 3 square minus 3 times 3 plus 3. The square of 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9 plus 3. Negative 9, positive 9 cancelled out. So volume is 3 cubic units. 3 cubic units, because volume is expressed in cubic units. Volume is expressed in cubic units. So our right option in that case, V is equal to 3. V is equal to 3 in that case. Let me demarcate a line to separate. That's our solution area. Moving towards question number 2. It is a fraction, another fraction. It is baffling or perplexing for initial learners, for elementary learners. It is a real problem. We have given a fraction 1 over x divided by x plus 3. A really cumbersome first step, and it has first and the last step. It's how to handle this. Look at this. This is our main division, our main upon. This is our main upon 1 over x divided by x plus 1 over x divided by, that is our main upon, that's our main division, that's our main upon. Just replace this with divide symbol. 1 upon x, instead of upon, let me write divided by x plus 3. It's cool now. 1 over x divided by x plus 3. How to handle this? Whether x comes where, no idea. Just instead of division, instead of upon, insert, write down division. Now we are familiar. In order to calculate the situation, convert division into multiplication by reciprocaling the term, finding the multiplicative inverse of the term present after the division symbol. Present after the division symbol. We are interested in its multiplicative inverse. 1 over x times 1 over x plus 3. It can be written as 1 over x times x plus 3. Cool. We option has been left here, so our option A is correct in that case. R1 can simplify further. X into x square plus 3x. What is vital here? Just replace main symbol by division. Replace main upon by division. And then in order to calculate, in order to simplify, convert this division into multiplication by finding the reciprocal of this term, by finding the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of this term. That is 1 over x plus 3. Write them together. 1 on the 1, x times x plus 3. That is x times x plus 3. So option A is the correct option for the question number 2. What about 3? Question number 3 reads as a faulty register records only $5 for every $8 deposit. A faulty register records only $5 for every $8 deposit. If the register shows a total balance of 40, what is the actual balance? What is the actual balance? $5 instead of 8. $5 instead of 8, and the register shows a deposit of 40. Register shows a deposit of Register shows a deposit of $40. $40. $40. How to handle this? Now 40 can be written as 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 3 times 5, 6, 7. Here it is 8. How many times? 10, 20, 30, 40. Why I have written 5? Because our 40 register registers $5 for $8. $5 for $8. On every $5 there is a deficit of $3. There is a deficit of $3. There is a deficit of $3. $3. Okay. If we add them up, it will become 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. It will become 40 plus 24. 64 must be the actual amount to be registered in order to compensate for the mistake or error that has been done by the record keeper or register. That is simple. Or another method in that case is 40 is the deposit. Our actual calculation is $8 for every 5. That is the actual calculation. That's faulty. Just remove the faulty. $45. 5 8 the 40. Now 8 8 the 64. 64 is the right amount to be registered, to be written in register as a deposit. It is. That is actual. That's by mistake. That's actual. That's by mistake. 5 8 the 40, then 8 8 the 64. It is actual divided by 40. Actual divided by 40. Actual divided by 40. 40 will be removed. 40 will be removed. 8 8 the 64 is the right. Or one can take this part of understanding. Whatever suits you, just do that. For a tiny amount, 40 60, it's a good one. Otherwise, that is the strategy to be kept, to be applied for a figure that is a bigger for bigger calculations. It suits us. Actual divided by the faulty one. Okay, then the actual amount in that case is $64. Moving towards next question, a mind boggler type question, an Olympiad type question that reads as x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square plus z plus 4 whole square is equal to 0. Then what is the sum of the x, y and z? What is the sum of x, y and z? What is the sum of x, y and z? Question number left is the 4 one. It reads as x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square plus z plus 4 whole square is equal to 0. We are interested in the sum of x plus y plus z is equal to what? Is equal to, we are interested into finding the sum of x plus y plus z. It's good one. Olympiad type question, everything is given to us here and there. Just keep this, equate this one to 0, this one to 0, this one to 0. You are going to attempt this question in the blink of eye. X minus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0. Similarly, y minus 3 is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. Similarly, z plus 4 is equal to 0, or z is equal to minus 4. These are the equal, this one to 0, this one to 0, that one. X minus 2 is equal to 0, y minus 3, z plus 4 is equal to 0 because their sum is equal to 0. Now we are interested in the sum of x plus y plus z. It is x means 2, y 3, z is minus 4. Lump sum will be 5 minus 4. 1 is the answer in that case. The sum of x plus y plus z is equal to 1. The sum of x plus y plus z is equal to 1. And the final fifth question is a tiny exponential equation. It reads 3 raised x minus 3 is equal to 27. What should be the power value of x? X is 6 in that case. One can easily calculate. Instead of 27, we can write 3 cube. On comparing x minus 3 is equal to 3, then x is equal to 6. How? Let's see and find out. exponential equation, because our unknown lies in the exponent or power. Exponential equation, it is 3 raised to x minus 3 is equal to 27. Now look at this. This is 3, that is 23. 27 is, this is 3, this is 27. 23, 27 is also power of 3. 27 has the base of 3. 27 can be written as 3 cube. 3 raised x minus 3. 27 can be written as 3 cube. As bases are equal, therefore powers are equal. X minus 3 is equal to 3. Solve for x. X is equal to 3 plus 3. X is equal to 6. Or one can verify from the options. Put x is equal to 6. You will get, sorry, 3 raised 6 minus 3 is equal to 27. 6 minus 3 is 3 cube is equal to 27. 3 cube means 3 times 3 into 3 into 3, 27 is equal to 27. These are the questions taken from the set past paper set Panda. There are 10 exercises on them. We have started the first one, and this question for you I have selected from IMP German Olympiad. But it's a wonderful question, wonderful question. If we have given a quadratic equation, x square minus mx minus 8 is equal to 0, and x1, x2 are the roots of this equation. Cube root of the first root plus sum of the cube root of the second root is equal to 1. Find m. Then the sum of the cube roots of the roots of this quadratic equation is equal to 1. Then find m. Find m. Wonderful question. We are familiar. Sum of the roots is given by minus b over a. We are familiar. And product of the roots, x1 into x2, it's equal to c over a. Everybody is familiar. Now, what we have given, this condition to be utilized to get to this. We have given cube root of the first root, cube root of x1 plus cube root of x2 is equal to 1. Just work this out and it is going to work wonders. There is cube root 1 over 3 x1. If we plug in, x1 is equal to a cube and x2 is equal to b cube. X1 is equal to a cube, x2 is equal to b cube. Plug in here, we have cube root of a cube plus cube root of b cube is equal to 1. Then cube and cube root cancels. We have a plus b is equal to 1. We have first condition, a plus b is equal to 1. We have first condition, a plus b is equal to 1. Okay, if we utilize this quadratic equation, this is value of a, this is value of b, this is value of c. Don't confuse this a and b with this a and b. This is the coefficients of x, this is coefficient of x square, this is coefficient of x, and this is constant. Let me make a space for myself. Okay. Yes. A plus b is equal to this one. Then utilize sum and product. Sum x1 plus x2 negative. Here b is minus m and our a is 1. Means x1 plus x2 is equal to m. It's our equation 1. From the product of the roots, that is x1 into x2 is equal to c. C means minus 8 over 1. x1 into x2 is equal to minus 8. x1 into, now utilize all these conditions. A plus b is equal to 1. x1 plus x2 is equal to m, and the product of x1 into x2 is equal to 8 to get to the value of m. To get to the value of m, let me write this equation here. A plus b is equal to 1, and we have assumed that x1 is equal to a cube and x2 is equal to b cube. Now connect them together to get to the value of m. How? Let's see and find out. What we have, a plus b. If I take this a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Now we have a cube plus b cube. Instead of a cube plus b cube, I can plug in x1 plus x2. A plus b, it is given to us, it's equal to 1. And I have a square minus ab plus b square. X1 plus x2, it's equal to m. X1 plus x2 is equal to m. Okay, we have a square minus ab plus b square. Now we have only value of a plus b. We have only value of a plus b and might be ab. A plus b, a plus b. Now try to convert this one as a sum. Try to convert this one as a sum. This one can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. I have written 2ab, add as well as subtract. Add 2ab, subtract 2ab, keep this negative ab intact. Now its formula, it will become a plus b whole square minus 3 times ab. I have m. Now a plus b. A plus b is equal to what? I have value. A plus b is equal to 1. That's 1 square minus 3. A into b. Product of the roots. AB. What is AB? What is the nature of A and B? I must have value of this one. AB somewhere. What is AB? What is the value of AB? Here I can manage the value of AB from here. It must be something like x1 into x2. Product of the roots is given by minus 8. Minus 8. X1 is a cube, b cube is equal to minus 8. Or I can write ab whole cube. Instead of minus 8, I can write minus 2 cube. 3, 3 cancel. So value of AB, I am going to have as AB is equal to minus 2. Taking cube root both sides. Taking cube root both sides, AB is equal to minus 2. Plug in here minus 2. So m is equal to square of 1 is 1, minus plus 3 to the 6. 1 plus 6, 7. So value of m is 7 in that case. Value of m is 7 in that case. Value of m is 7 in that case. Option A is the right option. The tedious Olympiad question of Olympiad type question 100% Olympiad from IMP. I have borrowed this question. German Olympiad, IMP. That's value of m is equal to 7 in that case. It's my tiny effort for you guys to prepare for you the upcoming NTHP scholarship program for IBA-Karachi. It's all by itself. Next.